Hi people! I apologise for the wonkiness of this video. I just put this top on, but I forgot to bring jeans. So you don't want to see this. Yeah, that's what I thought. So
I don't fuck with you.
So today, me and my friend Yvonne, she also has a YouTube channel, which you can see over here. I think you should go and check it out. She gave me the idea of doing a tag because I kind of ran out of ideas. I have 41 videos and I have 45 subscribers. With 41 videos, you start running out of ideas. Yeah. So today, I'm going to be doing a tag. I first thought about doing, well, when I was looking at tags, I saw a few tags, such as the New Year tag, but it's all about resolutions and like really not for me. And then there was the best friend tag. And then there was the couples tag. And then there was the roommate tag. My parents are too strict. And then there was the accent tag. I don't have an accent. And then there was the baby tag. Well, the baby tag wasn't so bad. I just had too many babies. Yeah, and I wasn't bothered to fill in all the information. Sorry. And then there was the taglines tag. I live in the UK. And then there was the 99 questions no one asks you. There's a reason they don't ask me those questions. I wouldn't mind answering them, but 99? No. And then there was the lyrics tag, but I'm not good with poems. Well, that really didn't make sense at all. Great, I love this video already. I am such a failure. And then there was the TMI tag. Isn't it the same thing as the 99 questions tag? Okay. Great. So the tag that I've chosen is the Invade My Privacy tag. The first question is, did you wake up cranky? I think they need to change the question to, do you ever wake up not being cranky? Because like I hate mornings. I just don't want to get out of bed, but I know I have to at some point. Would you date an 18-year-old at your current age? Yes. That's not too old for me. I'm 16. Do you prefer to be friends with girls or boys? I don't mind. As long as they're a true friend. Like as long as they're going to be sticking beside me, whatever weather. Well, would you ever smile at a stranger? I do that quite a lot. Can you commit to one person? Yes. Just because I have a lot of babies, it doesn't mean that I can't commit to a person. How do you look right now? Not my best. What exactly are you wearing right now? My wig? No, these are real. And I couldn't brush them because I didn't bring a brush. I'm not wearing a wig. Oh, I can't brush them anyways after the shower. This is what happens when your hairdresser doesn't tell you that to dye your hair blonde, to ombre your hair, they needed to bleach it. I thought they were going to just dye it and it was just going to poof, but no. I'm wearing my hair tie as a bracelet. I'm wearing this top and I'm wearing trousers and I'm wearing nice socks. They're very, very warm. How often do you listen to music? A lot. In a day? 2 to 3 hours. But that's not always the case, it changes. Do you wear sweats or jeans more? Jeans. I'm more of a jeans person, even though I'm wearing trousers at the moment. I'm more of a jeans person. Do you think your life will dramatically change before 2017? I don't know. Are you a social or an antisocial person? Okay, I'm going to be honest here. It changes so much. For example, usually on the internet, social media, I'm very social. I just won't stop chatting. Here's an example. But if you saw me in real life, I probably would be really antisocial. Probably.
Because sometimes I really do speak. A lot. But sometimes I'm just very shy.
Wait, in the beginning I'll be shy, but then later on you just can't stop me.
I just speak and speak and speak and speak and speak and speak and speak.
And speak. If the person you like, say they like someone else, what would you say? I'd say that they should just go for it and tell the person that they like them. And then if it doesn't turn out, but if it does turn out, are you good at hiding your feelings? If I want to, yes. I pass drama. Can you drive a stick shift? What's a stick shift? That. Why is that a question? Well, I'm learning to drive a stick shift. I'm learning how to drive a car. Wait. Not yet, but I'm going to start. Yeah. Do you care if people talk badly about you? Honestly, I'd act like I don't. But I'd act like I don't to them. But if sometimes I really don't care, it depends on the person. Bye. No man. Outro.